Hello friends, welcome to Twin Sisters Country Cooking Channel. Today we are making a hot fudge pie. Doesn't that look good? So we need to try it. Okay, so let's get started. Got your oven going? Yeah. So this seems to be a really easy pie. There's not a whole lot of ingredients other than an unbaked 9-inch pie crust. We're using a 10-inch. So we're just gonna put it all into this bowl and that's it. So we have a cup of granulated sugar, as usual, butter and sugar. We need to mix this together until it's fluffy. Okay? Feels light and fluffy and smooth, so we're gonna go with it. We'll just add our eggs now one at a time and mix it in well after each addition. A vanilla extract, our cocoa, and our flour. And it said to avoid over mixing. So we're going to mix it until just combined. So I ended up to fill this 10-inch pie plate. I ended up making 2 more batches because I don't think this would have even fit in a 9-inch. So I ended up making 3 batches of this filling for this 10-inch pie plate. And now we're ready to go to the oven. So it says in here to cook it on 350 for 30-35 minutes. So because I made 3 batches of filling, I'll probably have to bake it extra. So we'll just go from here. Okay, our pie is done. And I ended up putting 3 batches of the filling together to fill up this 10-inch pie plate. So I ended up cooking it about 50 minutes, and I hope that wasn't too much because the middle is supposed to be still wiggly and gooey. So anyway, let's take a look. Broke into it yet, and I cannot wait. So let's do that. Let's check this out. That looks a lot gooey. Oh my. Well, I shouldn't have done that. I wonder if it's even done. Or I should just put it in the fridge. Oh no. It said Hot Fudge Pie, so whoa. Wonder. Looks done, but it doesn't look done. Okay, here we go. Well, I don't know. It's like half of it got done. If you see there, that's cake. We'll wipe off the pudding. So there's cake in there and some pudding. So we're gonna try it. Oh. That's really good. I don't think it's done though. Question is, do I put it back in the oven or just scrap the part that's full of it? I don't know, but I'm gonna eat some more of this cake. I don't know if this was successful or not. It's delicious, but I don't think it's done. But I hate to overcook it too. I have to think about it. But I do want to thank you for stopping by. And I hope you enjoyed the video. At least we tried a new recipe. Wish you could try it. If you could, hit that like button, ring the bell, and subscribe. It really helps out our channel. Okay, folks, concerning our hot fudge pie, I really wasn't sure about how undone I felt it was. So I decided to just grab one of our freezer crusts out of the freezer And one batch of this pie filling was enough to fill this 9-inch pie pan. The other day I put 3 batches into one 10-inch pie plate and it just wouldn't get done. I swear I overbaked it by an hour and it still didn't get done. So I didn't want to give up on it, and I really liked the cake part of it. It was just too much that was not baked. So we're trying it again. Just one batch, one little pie filling, pie dish, pie filling, and here we go in the oven. I'm going to bake this for 30 to 35 minutes. Start off with 30 minutes. And we'll see what it looks like then. This looks a lot better than the one I made the other day. I'm really happy that I redid this pie. Look at this. Wow. Awesome. Look at this. This is a pudding pie to be proud of. So we better take some pictures. Well, friends, this pie was a success. Look how beautiful. There's nothing runny about it. And it's still kind of jiggly. And they said that's what you want because of the pudding. So now we're going to try it. And it looks chocolatey. That is still hot, kind of a warmish. It is so chocolatey. Oh, it's just beautiful. Look at that. That is a chocolate pie, hot fudge pie. I'm keeping this for the books. This is a great pie. Just don't do more than one batch at a time. 9-inch pie plate, and you'll have a perfect pie. Folks, thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you could, hit that like button, ring the bell, and subscribe. It really helps our channel out.